Guys, today in this video gonna to show you Windows 2 tutorial how to make desktop shortcuts for any program, for any folder, for any website. There are a couple of ways to create a shortcut for Windows 10 easiest method. Click that button of mouse. Go to new. Here you have the option shortcut. Click on this one. Dialog box open. This wizard helps to create shortcut to local or network programs, files, folders, computers, or internet address. Browse from here. For example, I want to now click on OK. Now finish all. Next. Actually, now finish. Shortcut for your video. Shortcut for any particular website. So simple. Right click on mouse. Go to new. Click on shortcut. And paste your here. Open browser. Here paste, click on next, click on finish. That is. So this is a shortcut particular website. Click this one. So particular website for open. So by this simple method, shortcut Windows 10. I hope it will be useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.